Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Fiverr and its translation services. So Fiverr translation services are easy to sell and to buy. And let's help you find what are you looking for. So it's in writing and translation here. You head to translation and transcription. We have translation, localization, transcription, more other, but we are here now for translation. Now you choose the language, pick up any language to any language, let's say from English to Arabic, and apply. I will provide perfect English to Arabic from translation. I will translate Arabic to Arabic, English to Arabic, Arabic to English. We have a lot, yes, a lot of translators. English to Arabic, Arabic to English. Translate three language, English, French, Arabic. Translate English to Arabic and vice versa. Yeah, this is a Moroccan. Let's try on it. So 500 word translation. So you will need to know how many words you have. Let's say 120 will be $20. Standard, premium. Wait, why the basic is more than the standard? Oh, I meant 120. $20. Proofreading. You can message them here right away. Yeah, he did 85 order. He have a rating of 5 stars. There are some good comments. Fast, friendly, professional. So to do the job, you click on continue, extra fast, or transcription. You pay depending on your needs. This is for the buyer. Now let's head to the selling part. Where did I put here? Let's refresh the page. Yes, this is the selling part. So you head to your profile, your Fiverr profile. You click on create new gigs. So the title, I will translate any to any. Of course I want. Category, writing and translation. دقيقة متى بس. Languages from, yeah, I will stick to Arabic to English for now. No, I'm just trying this. I won't be translating anything, but this is how you should do it. Document type. Games. Okay, I can do this. Industry. Gaming, video games. I can do this. Keyword. Game. Dub. Are to in. Why are they? Okay, let's continue. So you need to put the price in. Plans, I don't think. Yes, you can turn off the plans. You can just put the name of your plan. Describe it. Trusted by no one. Delivery time. It's a game. I'm being serious right now. A month? No, no, no. I can do it in a week. Revision. It takes you. World included. It's a game. At least it should have 512. Okay, let's put it 500. Proofreading, document formatting, language, style guide, transcription. I accept subtitling. Yes, I'm here for it. Price will be $100. You are making a game. So I'm providing the basics. I will charge what did we say for the price? Okay, let's put $1 for every 5 words. Every 15 words. Extra fast? No, I don't accept. Additional revision? No, I don't accept. Get to word content, exceed to word and create, adding extra may increase the kick visibility. $10 for each 100 word. Okay, next we have the description. The description is important because you should fill up with at least 120 characters. Then you put. I'm just finishing this so quickly because they are spamming. Who the fuck spams? Oh, I can't use only spaces, so it's impossible that this doesn't work. Okay. I can't use this. Let's go. Description must contain at least 120 letters. Different letters. So what? Those are 126. Then golf. Hi. Jet. Yes, it's working. Requirements. You ask him a question, you need to respond like how ser how to serious, something like this, and you add free text or choices. Next, you have to add the gallery and publish it. I don't have the pictures for the business now. That's it for a business like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.